Hello everyone. I am going to start a new lecture for you people. Here in this lecture, I will try to explain one, that means the third type of operation. Already we have discussed about union, intersection, and here we are going to discuss about the difference of two sets. So difference of two sets means what? From the word difference you have come to know, already you have got the idea about difference of two numbers. That means you have to subtract one number from the other. Here also we'll try to find out the difference between two sets. So actually what is the meaning behind it? That means we will try to find out the difference between two sets means A minus B is the representation of this one. So what is the, what type of elements will be there in this the difference between two sets? So let's go through the definition. Let A and B be two sets, then A minus B is the set which contains or consists all the elements which belongs to A but not belongs to B. Okay, so it will contains all those elements. Remember, A minus B itself is a set because this is an operation between two sets. It is known to us, that means we have got it. Then আমি দুটা সেটৰ মাজত যি অপাৰেচন এপ্লাই নকৰো ৰিজাল্ট এটা সেটে হ'ব. So that's why A minus B itself is a set. Got it? So it contains all those elements. ইয়াত তোমালোকে হেবিলাক এলিমেন্টই পাবা which are belongs to the set A. হেবিলাক এলিমেন্টে পাম which belongs to the set A. Okay? But remember that the element which belongs to the set A will not belongs to the set B and X not belongs to B. This is the representation of A minus B in set builder form. What does it mean? Observe carefully. X belongs to A. That means here it will contains all those elements. Hebilak element A contain koribo bhalke ebar soasun. He element bilak kar hobo lagibo? A hobo lagibo. Kintu mone rakhiba at the moment you are not supposed to consider all those elements which are in B. B thoka bilak consider kole nohobo. So hebilak code element thakibo noribo, B thakibo noribo. It will be easier for us if we'll consider an example. 1 2 3 A is the set which contains 3 elements and B is the set which contains suppose 2 5 8. So then A minus B means what? Just go to the definition. A minus B itself is a set, obviously. It will contains all those elements which are there in A. A thoka hebilak ami element consider korim jibilak B nai. That means we have to give the importance to the elements of the set A only. Okol A thoka element khini ami consider korim. You will not consider all those elements which are at the moment which are in B. তামানে তোমালকে এর সেটটো ইম্পর্টেন্স দিব লাগিব A minus B বুলি কলে যিখিনি এলিমেন্ট পোৱা যায় সেইখিনি এলিমেন্টৰ বিষয়ে আমি হে ডিসকাস কৰিম সো A minus B সিম্পল কথা আমি A থকা এলিমেন্ট বিলাক কনসিডাৰ কৰিম খালি হে এলিমেন্ট বিলাক কোট থাকিব নোৱাৰিব B থাকিব নোৱাৰিব that means we can easily consider 1 because 1 is there only in A. You are not supposed to consider 2 in 2 because 2 is there in as well as in B. You cannot you can consider 3. Okay. So A minus B means what? A minus B is a set which contains all the elements which are in A only. Okol A thoka element khini. Hebilak element tomaloke consider koribo nuariba jibilak B ase. Jeneke soa we can easily consider 1 because 1 is there in A only. 1 to B 9. So you cannot consider 2 because 2 is there in both. You can consider 3 because 3 is there in A only. 3 of all element to A ase. So that's why the elements will be A and B. But you are not supposed to consider 5 and 8 because you have to give the importance to the elements of A only. By bhage je bhabibole joa so A minus B kole so moi jodi A pora B to subtract koru 2 logot 2 obviously cancel but this is not the way actually. Etu tumalke mora rakhibo pora 2 logot 2 to cancel gol boli bhabibo pora. কি কি থাকিল তেনলে 3 লগত 3 ক্যান্সেল না যায় 1 লগত 1 নাই তাত সো কি থাকিলে A minus B বুলি কলে 1 3 then what about B minus A here which one set will have the importance which one set will get the importance ইয়াত আমি B set or element খিনি importance দিব লাগিব that means here in this set you will consider all those elements of B which are there in B only you will not consider all those elements which are there in B as well as in A তারমানে আমি B set 2 পর আহে আমি A set 2 মাইনাস করিম. So what will be the procedure then? You have to consider all the elements of B which are there in B only. So obviously you cannot consider 2 because 2 is there in B as well as in A. That means we can easily consider 5. Do you know why? Because 5 is an element of B but it is not there in A. You can easily consider 8. Do you know why? Because 8 is an element of B but it is not an element of A. That means in case of B minus A, you have to give the importance to the set B. By ibhage soa 2 logot 2 cancel gusi goise. You cannot cancel 5 because 5 is there in B only. You cannot cancel 8. That means what are the elements there in B only? B ki kita element thakile heita likhi diba. Here ami A ji kita element thakile heita mention korim. So 1,3, 5,8. Then what is the representation of Venn diagram? So that means in case of this one is a union set. And this is a set A and this one is a set B. Suppose they have some common element. Let us consider. So then A minus B means what? It will contains all the elements which are there in A only. It is intersection portion to know. Here, whatever maybe the elements will be there in this portion, that element is there in A as well as in B. A portion thoka element kini A or B duita ase. But here you have to A minus B. In this portion, what you have to do? You have to consider all the elements of the set A only. So this is the portion. I think you have got my point. Here in this the shaded region, you will get all those elements which are there in A only. Okol era se bhake bhagiswa. A portion element kini korese okol A. So that's why the shaded region is this one. Okay. Similarly, you can easily write down B minus A. So suppose this is a union and this is a set A and this one is a set B. Okay. So this is the intersection portion you are not supposed to consider. So B minus A. So B minus A means kuntu set of importance diba obviously B. You have to consider all those elements which are there in B only. Obviously this is the portion. B only. That means the shaded region is what? Like that. So I think you have come, this expression is also known as A only. Only in A. This one is known as only in B. Suppose P minus Q. This one is known as only in P, like that. So in this way you can easily represent it. So this is a representation of Venn diagram. B minus A and A minus B are totally different. So A minus B, A will have the importance. B minus A, B will have the importance. Okay, so from here we can easily give the conclusion to another one. So from the Venn diagram you can easily say that, or you can easily imagine actually. Already in the previous lecture I have explained about disjoint set. Disjoint means they are totally separated. So here, so you can easily imagine about this one. This is a universal set and this is a set A and this is set B. So what is the name of the person? Here this person is known as A minus B, am I correct? This person is known as what? This person is known as A intersection B and this person is known as what? B minus A. So if you observe carefully, তোমালোকে যদি ভালকে এবাৰ মন কৰা এটো A minus B, if you observe carefully then you will get that A minus B, this portion, whatever maybe the elements are there in A minus B, the elements are not there in their intersection. Similarly, whatever maybe the elements are there in their intersection, all those elements are there in not B minus A. ইয়াত নাই। তাৰমানে ভালকে মন কৰাচোন, ইয়াত থকা এলিমেন্ট খিনি ইয়াত না থাকে, they are separated by y. So that's why A set to or A set to disjoint set পোৱা যাব. And this set is and this set are also disjoint. আৰু এইটো দেখিছা তোমালোকে ইয়াৰ লগত ইয়াৰ কোনো এলিমেন্টৰ কমন নাই. So that these sets are known as disjoint sets. That means we can say that A minus B intersection B minus A, this one is a set and this one is a set, it is always an empty set. Or you can say that A intersection B intersection this set and A minus B is also equal to 5. কি কৈছে এবাৰ ভালকে ভাবিছোৱা, A minus B itself is a set, B minus A is itself is a set. এই দুটা সেট হয়। এই দুটা সেটৰ ইন্টারসেকশন কি দেখিছা? কমন পোরশন A to set আৰু A set to কমন পোরশন আছে নেকি? No, they does not have any common portion. দেখি কাৰণে এই দুটা সেটৰ ইন্টারসেকশন কিমান হ'ব? 5. Similarly, ইন্টারসেকশন পোরশন আৰু A minus B, A to set আৰু A to set কোনো কমন পোরশন নাই, A to set এই পোরশনটোৰ কথা কৈছো। So that's why their intersection is equal to 5. Similarly, A intersection B intersection B minus A is equal to 5. We know that two sets are said to be disjoint if their intersection is equal to 5. A set or A set to intersection কিমান দেখিছা? 5. So they are known as disjoint sets. I hope you have got my point. You can easily find out the answer of so many questions which are there in your textbook. Find the difference between two sets. Difference means A minus B means write down all those elements which are there in A only. A minus B বুলি ক'লে অকল থকা এলিমেন্ট খিনি লিখিবা যিখিনি বিট নাই, কমন খিনি কেতিয়াও আহিব নোৱাৰে। Similarly, here the set B will have the importance. So thank you so much for watching my video. Just go through your NCERT textbook and try to find out the difference of different sets. That's like A minus B, P minus Q. So many questions are there in your textbook. Thank you so much.